Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson, and today we're going to be doing part 1 of Introduction to Gerunds. So what is a gerund? When a verb ends in ing, it can be either a gerund or a present participle. When we use a verb in ing form as a noun, it is usually a gerund. So fishing is fun, or I like hiking. So even though this is the form of a verb, it's acting here as the subject of the sentence. And here, hiking could be a verb, but here it's functioning as, again, as a noun, as the object of the verb like. And how do you form a gerund? So typically you just add ing to the verb. So work becomes working, learn becomes learning. When the verb ends in E, we drop the E and then add ing. So come, C-O-M-E, becomes coming, C-O-M-I-N-G. For one-syllable words that end in a consonant plus a vowel plus another consonant, we double the final consonant before adding ing. So swim, because we have the consonant W, the vowel I, and then the consonant M, we have to double the M. So S-W-I, double M-I-N-G, swimming. Same thing with stop. We have the consonant T, the vowel O, and the consonant P. So stopping becomes S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. When a verb ends in I-E, we change the I-E to a Y before adding the ing. So lie, L-I-E, becomes lying, L-Y-I-N-G, and die, D-I-E, becomes dying, D-Y-I-N-G. All right, so now we're going to change each verb to its gerund form. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So we have writing, drop the E, getting, double the T, holding, eating, sitting has the double T, living, drop the E before adding ing, running, with double N, dancing, drop the E, biking, and we drop the final E, and trying. So many activities are written in gerund form: swimming, running, hiking, and see if you can think of any other activities that you can express in gerund form. And if you'd like to share those in the comments, that would be great. Now you're going to make some sentences by matching the beginnings and the end to make a sentence. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check their answers. So she enjoys running on the trails behind her house. Knowing how to start a fire will help you in camping. He thinks that hiking is a challenging but fun activity. Traveling can teach you a lot about the world, and she really likes dancing with her friends. Now, like nouns, gerunds can be the subject, object, or complement of a sentence. Smoking is bad for your health. Here, the gerund is the subject of the sentence. I enjoy reading. Here, the gerund is the object of the sentence. And my favorite hobby is painting. Here, the gerund is the complement of the sentence, coming after a form of the verb to be, or similar linking verbs. All right, so now you can complete each of these sentences with a gerund of your choice as the subject. And if you would like to share some of these in the comments to generate some discussion, that would be great. Again, the same thing here. You can choose whichever gerund you would like to complete the sentences. This time the gerund will be the object of the sentence. And again, if you would share those in the comments, that would help out the channel quite a bit. And here, same thing. You're going to choose gerund and complete the sentences using the gerund as a complement. So like a verb, a gerund can take an object. In this case, the entire expression, gerund plus object, can be the subject, object, or complement of the sentence. And here's some examples. Buying a new car costs a lot of money. So here, this whole expression, buying a new car, that is the subject, and costs is the verb. I don't like writing essays in class. So here, writing essays is the object of the verb don't like. And my favorite hobby is reading detective stories. So this is the complement describing the person's favorite hobby. All right, so in these, you're going to add an object to these sentences. Again, it can be really anything that you would like. It doesn't have to be a gerund in this case. So I love reading books or magazines. So again, these are just your own ideas, and you can share those in the comments. Now, gerunds after prepositions. If we want to use a verb after a preposition, it is usually a gerund. I will call you after arriving at the office. So you could also say, well, we'll do these. We'll do the gerunds first, and then we'll talk about these other examples. He dreams about traveling around the world, and please have a snack before leaving. Other ways to say these same sentences, I will call you after my arrival. So here, my arrival is a noun that you can use following the preposition after. He dreams about world travel. So here again, we change this to the noun form. And please have a snack before your departure. So you could replace all of the gerunds with real nouns. Okay, so again, you're going to practice these on your own. There's no single right answer, but if you'd like some feedback, you can share your sentences in the comments. Now, a verb sometimes follows another verb. We could have to plus the verb equals the infinitive. Often, the second verb is in the infinitive form. I want to eat. So want is the first verb. Eat is the second, but because it's preceded by to, this is the infinitive. So we have subject, verb, and then the infinitive, which is acting as the object in this sentence. But sometimes the second verb must be in gerund form. I enjoy eating. Because you couldn't say, I enjoy to eat. Enjoy is a verb that would generally be followed by a gerund and not the to form. So what do these people enjoy doing? He enjoys playing with his cars. She enjoys cooking. He enjoys skiing. She enjoys playing the guitar and singing. Now, when we use a verb in the ing form as either a verb or an adjective, we call it a present participle. This is a little different than a gerund, but it has the same form. So Anthony is fishing, and it was an exciting game. Gerunds often form compound nouns. So compound nouns are formed by joining two or more words. These words can be nouns, adjectives, and verbs. And so here we'll look at some compound nouns with gerunds. So swimming plus pool, the gerund plus a noun, equals the compound noun swimming pool. Weight plus the gerund lifting gives us weightlifting. All right, so now match the beginning of the compound noun with its ending. You can pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Babysitting, kite flying, problem solving, stamp collecting, and storytelling. Parking lot, drinking water, shooting star, washing machine, living room, steering wheel, and running shoes. Gerunds can also follow possessive adjectives like my, your, his, her, its, or their. My cooking is the best in the family. And gerunds can follow possessive nouns too. Grandma's cooking is the best in the family. Now, match the two halves to make a sentence. Again, pause the video, try these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check the answers. My grandma's driving scares me. My dad's dancing embarrasses me. My teacher loves my neat handwriting, and I can't stand his singing in the shower. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, participate using comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.